the O'Doherty family are on the way, I'm bringing them to this lakeside woodland for the next 3 days.
I wonder where we're going. Look, where are we?
I think we're in a forest.
And they're in for a big surprise. We're not walking, we're not hiking, we are travelling by kayak.
Imagine we're going to be sleeping out in the middle of that.
There's so many good trees to climb.
This lake has some wonderful canals and islands along its edge. And we're going to be travelling along them, looking for any resources that we may find and use before landing on one of its islands and setting up camp each night.
It's not a road they drive very often, sure it's not. Is there ground under me?
I hope so.
There's lots for us to see and do over the next few days, so it's going to be tough. I hope the O'Dohertys are up for the challenge.
I guess we're going up this way.
Yeah.
Are you ready for it, guys?
Yeah.
I wonder where Tom is.
Let's go with Tom. Oh, yeah, there's going to be a river.
Wow, it's stunning.
Hi.
Oh, hello. How are you?
How are the bush kids?
Oh, this looks beautiful.
Does this look like style or what?
It really does.
Yeah.
Look at it. You're going up.
I'll see you on the other side.
Oh, lie
Is that
down,
all right?
Lie down.
See you on the other side, everybody.
And some life jackets.
Look, is he coming?
Is he going under that?
Oh, just about. He's got an extra one.
That look good.
Really
Yeah.
did.
Okay, who's strong?
Me.
Grab that. You gotta drag me in. Yee-yoo.
Fab.
That was actually cool. I had a cup of tea actually while I was under there. In case you were wondering why it took so long. Now I'm gonna try and time out. If I fall in, the deal is you're not allowed to laugh at me. But if you fall in, we can all laugh at you. Okay?
Yeah.
Hello everybody.
How are you?
Hello.
My name is Tom. What's your name?
Liam.
Liam. Man, Liam.
Sive.
Sive.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Darren.
So as you can see, we are down by the water's edge.
Yeah.
All right? So how we're actually going to travel is in our carriages of delight upon this water.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are you good with kayaks?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is get you all togged up, make sure everything is fitting nice and snug so we can pop into the kayaks and we're going to start making our way on our wonderful journey. Right, throw them on. As ever, when travelling near or on water, it's important to remain safe. I'll take your umbrella. I'll be fitting the bush kids with helmets and life jackets anytime we're in the kayaks. You made it look easy. Okay, just keep low when you're getting in.
Oh, yeah.
Next.
Next.
There you go. We got our very famous.
Bush
Kids
kids flag.
flag.
We're going to throw that in. We do need somebody to be our map man or somebody to guide us and navigate us on the waterways. Okay, you want to jump in as well?
Just keep
There
on
you
paddling,
go.
so.
Here we go. That's it. You're doing great. Team effort. Well done.
Keep going a bit.
You want to come in beside me for 1 second?
Ah! Darren!
All right, everybody. You see the writing?
Yeah.
So that's going to be facing you. And when you hold the oar, you'll be holding it like this, knuckles to the sky.
Okay.
And when you're paddling, nice smooth strokes from the feet to the seat. And we'll go nice and gentle up along the waterway and keep an eye out for anything that we may forage. That's it. And if you want to keep your arms a little wide, you don't have to hold your hands too close.
Now.
Darren, you splashed me.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? I don't
And
know
the
what
weather
they
is
are,
just
Si.
perfect. No wind and no rain. Hold up, hold up. We'll go here. You see this big tall tree right in front of you?
Yeah.
You see the way the bark is peeling off it? So we gather this bark off this tree, and one of a very old and still modern way of lighting your fire is using this birch bark. Oh, that is a nicey, that is a nicey. This takes a flame really good. And anything else we see like that along the way,
Okay, we collect it.
we take, we keep and we use.
Perfect.
That sound lovely?
Absolutely.
This is a new way of travelling.
It's really white.
This is the real deal. You ready? All right, guys, if you come on in the inside up here, can you grab something for me right in there? Do you see the flower with the little purple on it?
Yeah. We're kind of gone in the bush now, Mom.
Are you able to get some of that?
This one. That
The
one there.
purple one, yeah. Ooh, lovely. And if you
Very-
break the stem, and just take a little bit of that with you. And that's mint. That's lovely smell is mint.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Oh, that smells good. Yeah.
And you can feel it's a square stem, and that's one good sign that it's the mint. And later on, we'll use it for our cup of tea.
Tea. Yeah.
Oh, I could smell that all day.
So far, we've made our way along the lower canal. We're just about to reach the ferry bridge before heading out to the open lake. From there, we'll travel north to the upper canal in search of a spot to get onto dry land to set up camp for the evening.
Oh, what a beautiful bridge.
This bridge is very famous. Here we go.
Under the bridge.
All right, look. Straight ahead. That's the open water.
There's a lot of reeds.
There's
It'll
the
be
sunshine.
busy. But we also got to maneuver our way to find the other canal.
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
little bit overgrown out there.
Right.
Are we going that way?
We're
Yeah,
going straight and then we're
that's what
turning
Mom
left.
said. But we probably have to get through some reeds.
That's
Yeah.
gonna be fun.
So this, we know on the map, is our second bridge. So we're going to pull in up here. I just spot something. Darren, if you're able to reach in, I'll bring it into you. And if you grab that, and you'll have to try snap the stalk on it. These are bulrushes, and these are one of the ultimate survival things to find in the wild. They have so many uses. But we're just going to take this little piece. That's the one. And if you come across something like this in the wild, you'll have a multitude of uses. You have fire starting, even food at times. But just for now, we're going to take that little piece, and we'll use that later on. It's really good stuff. So we're going to have to fight our way through these reeds and get onto dry land. It'll get tough, but once you get in, keep moving. It'll be smooth. It'll be smooth.
We're just gonna follow through their path.
Ah, that is tough.
Tree.
Grab that branch if you can. I got no booties, so I'm going to take off my boots and socks and I'm going to pop
Oh,
in.
yeah, okay, and then we get in.
Whew, don't worry about the smell. It's a tough landing, wasn't it?
It was muddy at the bottom, but it was fun though.
Right, are you able to grab that one?
Yeah.
The most essential one at the moment is our gear. Good stuff.
Yeah.
All aboard. Well done.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start passing these out to ye, okay? And then ye go get dry. I'll sort
Liam.
the kayaks. Lovely and dry. So the trailer is a wonderful addition. As the bush kids are getting changed into dry clothes, I'm getting the Kelly kettle up and running for a cup of mint tea.